All right. Good morning, people. Good morning, good evening. What's going on? Welcome back to the live stream. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm just going to get Zoom set up here. Let me just get the Zoom set up. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Copy link. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys can hear me all good. Don't switch. Discord. London live stream. Cool. All right. Cool. All right, let me just make sure you guys can hear me all good. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. I hope you guys got took advantage of the shorts down yesterday. If you guys on YouTube, covered them shorts very, very well. Ended up being a beautiful play down. Let me just see here. Oh, I'm connected to my TV, that's why. Oh, give me 2 seconds, guys. All right, cool. All right, let me let the guys in on Zoom here. Let me just make sure I'm sharing the screen. Where are we? Microphone. All right, cool. Record.
Recording in progress.
Cool. All right, good morning, Zoom guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. I'm gonna get started here in a second. Let me just quickly check the news, see what we have for today. Good morning, Mario. Good morning. Discord isn't working for me, so I'll join here. I can send you. I can send you the link privately if you want to add. Let me know, man. Let me know. Let me just turn this down. Right, let me just have a quick look at the news. See what we got. So you got durable goods today for the US dollar. You got consumer. Confidence not until like 3 p.m. London time. So London session this morning, you're pretty clear. No crazy news. Yes, please. All right, let me send it to you, man. Well, I send it to you privately. Will that work, or should I send you on WhatsApp or something? Let me send it to you here, man. Let me send it here. There you go. I just sent you the link, man. I just sent you on WhatsApp. But yeah, gold ended up having that beautiful push down yesterday that we spoke about on stream and said that, you know, this whole corrective move up was just fake, and this was a fake bounce off this 4-hour resistance where retail tried buy here, stop loss below there before coming back down, grabbing the lows and then continuing to push higher. So you had some amazing shorts yesterday of like over 90 ticks, and then you also had this bounce in the US session for like another 90 back up as well. So there was like an almost like a 200 tick day yesterday on gold, which is absolutely incredible. And we spoke about all these moves live yesterday as well. Apologies, there we go. It should be on now. So I'll just have a look here on the. I'll get rid of these levels. These are the levels that we gave yesterday on gold. These have all now been grabbed very, very well. All liquidity levels got hit beautifully yesterday. And we'll take a look at this daily here. So we can see yesterday you've closed slightly bearish. You've also respected this level of support that we were watching. You've bounced off this pretty well for a very easy like 60 tick bounce, which is pretty nice. And I think we're going to see gold maybe either today or tomorrow look to come up and re-grab these highs and start making a decent push back up into that 2050 level on gold. So that's kind of what I'm looking at on gold overall. But what we could see today, let's just have a look at this 4 hour again one more time. Let's get rid of this. That was the liquidity level from yesterday. We have some highs up here that we're going to be watching. We've kind of done the same thing again. We've kind of bounced, rejected off here, closed, retested, and started to push higher. You know, if we're going to see gold push up, you may come down to grab some liquidity below some of these previous 4 hour lows. So we could see potential shorts down into that. I'll keep this on the, let's keep this on the 4 hour. Let's have a look at this intraday chart here. I was watching Asia very briefly in the background today. It didn't really look like it did too much. I didn't really see any opportunities for anything in Asia today. Where was Asia? Here you closed bearish, bullish, doji, and now you're pushing back up. So this is the current hourly resistance and support that we're bouncing within. That is starting to look pretty choppy in this range, to be honest. I'm not liking the look of this range whatsoever. You've come up, you've grabbed the highs, but you're in this little miniature kind of uptrend here, and every time you've pushed up here, you've grabbed the lows, retested and pushed higher, grabbed the lows, pushed higher. So you don't need to come down and re-grab any of these anymore. Maybe this one here, if you really need to. But let me just let a few more guys joining Zoom here. But you kind of each push this morning in Asia, you grabbed the lows, pushed higher. The only one you didn't really grab was maybe this one, you know, which could be a level to target, but I don't really see, it doesn't have to come and grab it. You know, it'd be nice if it did, but it doesn't have to come and grab it. You've already wicked out the highs, closed bearish, now you're coming to push back up. So you can already see how kind of messy this is already this morning. I'm just going to see how this is, hours in command. Good evening, man. Good evening. Yeah, so hourly doji, and now this is kind of pushing back up. We're going to drop down too little of time frame just yet. We're going to wait for the first 15 close of the session. But we're still holding this support very nice. What you just bounced off that? How many? It's only 7 tick bounce off that. Very, very minor range. So a little bit of a tight range there on gold. You have grabbed the highs, which is very nice, but you're now also instantly wicking back up, which is not what you'd want to see. So be careful of this range. I am looking for overall this high to also be grabbed. I think this rejection here could also be a retail trap. Retail's try short here. Stop loss just above that high, looking for this big play down. So something to keep an eye on. You know, it kind of makes sense as well to see if we could potentially see this left shoulder, big head, potentially come back down for this right shoulder before pushing higher as well. That also could give us a pretty nice play. The longs in the US session from this support yesterday was very, very nice at like what, 2 or even 4, half 3 London time yesterday. Probably around here actually there were some amazing opportunities to buy gold off our liquidity levels. Okay, liquidity grab, break back above, retest, liquidity grab again, closure. Amazing buys yesterday. It was too late in the evening for me. I got the sells, but some fantastic buys yesterday on gold. Very, very nice. Very nice calls. Let me have a look at the chart, man. Had tax to work futures more so for gold. I can't answer that question, man. It's like everyone's situation, country, income is completely different, man. I have no idea what your circumstances are. I have no idea where you're from, what country you're in, like how much money you make. It's completely different, man. Just speak to a qualified tax accountant. It's just much easier. Yeah, that is a nice liquidity grab as well. Yeah, you probably got a pretty good stop loss placement there as well, man. I was looking for it as well. But then once this then kind of closed, I was trying to see if this one could actually break the level. But with your entry, you can probably already manage pretty well. Because it has actually... Yeah, good man, yeah.
I don't see why there's need or reason for it to come back up to your top level there.
Nah, neither. I think if it comes back up there, you'll just...
Yeah, if that's the true liquidity grab, then
yeah,
there's no need, but it is what it is.
Yeah, 100%, man. Go for you, just what
you know those longs from yesterday you were on about? There's a lovely level on the hourly.
Yeah.
And that's where I got in off the hourly. Just...
Yeah, it's a very, very nice level, man.
The level, let out close it. If it continued up, then I'll just go break in.
Yeah, so simple, man. So simple. And this is like, you still got runners going on this?
Yeah, I haven't taken anything from him.
Nice, man.
Personal account.
What's that? That's like 70 ticks just buying off a hourly level of support in an overall uptrend. Very nice, man. Very, very nice. Super simple. Futures is the best time to trade gold. The kill zone. I don't think there's such thing as a kill zone, even with Nasdaq. But you can trade gold well at any session. London for me is good, but sometimes Asia can be good. New York can be good. That's the reason I like to trade gold, because you can pretty much trade it at any time zone, and catch good moves. Yeah, I get some amazing shorts yesterday in London. More shorts again in US, then more buys in US as well. So it's kind of, there's not like one specific time where gold specifically has a certain type of move. Kind of, for me, moves well at most times of the day. Well, ICT terms, yeah, I know, yeah. Stupid terms, but there's no such thing as a kill zone. It doesn't really make any sense. If you're talking about like session opens, I mean, yeah, like New York Open's obviously going to have volume, but there's no specific requirement for every single session and every single day. What the hell? Been offered a 50 top step account for $4.50. Do you think it's worth it? Oh, mate, I don't know. Do you think $4.50 is worth a 50k potential funded account? Sounds pretty worth it to me. It's worth trying out the platform. Get used to it. Don't forget to record the Zoom. Yeah, already on it. Already on it. Trade crypto? Not actively at the minute. I've had plenty of crypto holdings before, but I don't have any active holdings at the minute. Not really, no. Speaking of which, let's see what Bitcoin's up to. Let's have a look. Is Bitcoin still pushing? Yeah, Bitcoin's still pumping. Look at that bounce on Bitcoin from like 40,000. It was very nice after grabbing the lows. Look at that. That's huge, 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 huge. What's that? It's like look at that, 40% return. Just buying off that liquidity grab, that bounce of 40,000. Huge, 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 huge. But no, I personally don't have anything in crypto at the minute. Connect to your Discord. It's all on the website, man. Everything's all there. How did Nasdaq move yesterday? Gold's still creeping up here. Look at this. It's very, very messy. I don't want to get too trapped in this too early. Look at that messy day on Nasdaq as well. Have to have a previous account on Top Step? Nah, I don't believe so, Trent. Nah, I don't think so, man. I don't think so. What is that? 15. Strong 15 close there on gold. Be interesting to see how this 30 close. Like I say, this is going to be... Like I say, we're not going to sit and watch this go sideways for the whole entire session. But if we do start to break out, amazing. But this range is going to be not one that I'm looking to force. So far, Asia's been very, very choppy. If London gives the breakouts, amazing. But we're certainly not going to force it. Have we had any sort of liquidity grab here at all? Yeah, he kind of grabbed the lows again there, closed bullish. Bottom wick re-pushing back higher. Chopped out 2 losses in. Even yeah, chopped out 2 losses. Yeah, Nasdaq looked very, very choppy yesterday. Very, very choppy. Like, look at this. This is horrible, horrible, horrible. Crazy price action. Look at that. Buys up into that high was pretty nice though. What time is that? It's like 9 AM London time. That's probably the cleanest of moves yesterday. They were very nice. But yeah, look at that. That's the New York Open. Look at that. Absolute shit show. And them moves are huge on that. As you guys who trade futures, even though just trading like one contract, getting messed up in that is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy.
It's mad how much of a difference there is with the contract sizes with Nasdaq and gold.
Yeah, it's huge, man.
It's totally different.
Yeah, whole different ball game. It's crazy.
You know that drop on Nas? That was 8:45 last night.
Which one? This one?
15 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah,
I didn't
8:45.
realise
That's
they
crazy.
moved nice at that time.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. That's why there's no such thing as like a what is it called? A kill zone. There's no such thing as a kill zone. Markets will move whenever they want. That's like a prime example of it, and that's what gold will kind of do as well. So you always got to have alerts and be ready. I don't really think there's like an exact session or exact time that you should be trading every single day. Like sometimes you get trades in the London session, sometimes post London, pre New York, post New York. Can do whatever it wants. Like that's crazy. What time was that New York time? It's probably like into the PM session. Yeah, even that's pretty even late for New York. So it's only like 3:30 PM New York time.
I could be on the chart at that time. Maybe something to consider.
Yeah, definitely, man. Yeah, that's the thing. Like even when I'm not on the charts, like I have my alerts everywhere because I'll take a position at any time. I don't care what time it is or what session it is. If the setup's there, the setup's there.
Yeah, that is true.
Anytime, man. Anytime. Can anyone share the Discord of Aaron? It's in the website, man. I just told you. It's all on the website. It's not an open Discord for anyone to join though. It's not a public free one. I don't do free groups. They're not very good. I've had free groups before. Please collect your parcel. Oh. Yeah, look at this. So you got some liquidity up there now on gold. You just left a little double top, which is nice. Starting to form a little more here. Turn the YouTube channel. Nice, man. Nice. How can the 70% total be available? Maybe. It's just you just follow the link. It's all automatic, man. It's all automatic. It's automatically applied. Strong 15 close to continue straight back down there on gold. It's pretty messy. 5 minute just closed bearish without grabbing the highs. Let's see, 5 minute back up there, Goldie.
I like the way that the daily has already made a bottom wick also.
Yeah, yeah. That's the thing, I want to see it overall push much higher this week. I want to see gold come back up to like 2050 and all the way back up into here.
I'd be nice for my personal.
Yeah, it'd be a very nice hold, man. Very, very nice. Yeah, Asia kind of gave a little bottom wick and then started to push from like, what was it here? Yeah. So you kind of had Asia buys like first thing. You kind of had a 1-2 double top, grabbed the hourly lows, held that support, pushed higher. I wanted to see if we could kind of dip back down into this little region, but this support here was clearly enough for it. So you had this little level here. Let's see, 5 minute pushing back up. Grab the highs and then come down. Yeah, possible. Well, I mean, I think we're overall very bullish. That's why it's good to be in the longs. The longs from here yesterday were beautiful. Because then you're exposed to this already. Then what happens from here up? You know, you can start taking some shorts risk free, or you can just keep holding the buys and play it back up into the weekly highs. Are you looking for price to tap 2050? Just off these liquidity levels here. That's just the daily levels on gold. Bounces between 2000 and 2050. The more you start to reject from here and reject this trend line, it'll be a retail trap. Retails will try and short from like here. Stop loss probably just above this high. This way you'll probably see gold do this. If you got a third touch of a trend line coming down like this, gold's never just going to do that and drop, because that's what all retails expect. They'll probably do this, then maybe drop a little bit and then continue to push up. So spotting a daily trend line like that, looking for that third touch ahead of time, is going to be very, very key for us, because you already know the amount of retail people who will, once you do come up into here, every retail trader will be trying to do something like this. Look over this huge play down. It's very likely that you'll just see gold spike out. Anyone who's trying to take a lot of themselves, and the fact daily's bullish, closed above a level of resistance, support, next levels all the way back up here. Daily is actually very, very clean on gold at the minute. Very clean. It's kind of been the recurring theme recently. I haven't executed a trade off the 5 minute in quite some time, because the 30 and hourly and the 15 recently have just been so much cleaner, and they've been very, very clean. Grabbing 4 hour high, yeah, nice. Where's that? Yeah, if you break these, you're probably just going to continue to push higher. Like even the shorts I took yesterday. I had some runners till like I think I closed it when I woke up this morning, like somewhere around here. I got it from like somewhere up here. It was like a 70 tick-ish drop. I would have liked to have covered it down here, but I wasn't awake at that time. But that was exactly where I wanted to get out. Well, anywhere below here. So even still cutting around here was still very nice. Into this high, yeah, and just overall bullish, to be honest, man. I'm very bullish on gold. Gold is just very strong right now. After this beautiful morning star here, grabbing daily lows on Friday, closing back above. To me, it just makes sense for it to continue to push up overall, and come and grab both of these highs. Retail. Oh yeah, nice spot, man. Yeah, I like that. Nice spot, man. So what did you have from like here? Did you have it like that? Yeah, it's very nice, man. Yeah, lovely spot. Yeah, great spot, man. So retail traders will try and short here. Their stop loss will probably be above this high. Looking for this play back down. So that'd be a lovely level type, man. Nice trend line spot there for sure. Very nice. More of a swing trade, in all honesty. Yeah, it's been nicer recently, man. It's been much nicer. Even when I was away, not watching the 5 minute like every single day was just so much nicer. I really enjoyed it, to be honest. I do trade for fixed session time every day. Hey Andrew, we stream for the same times every day, man, but I trade at any time as well. But in terms of these actual streams, yeah, they're always at 7 till 9 a.m. London time, man, depending on volume and depending on setups. Like if we don't get a setup, I'm not gonna sit here and watch it go sideways. But if we do get a setup, then yeah, amazing. The amount of retail traders yesterday who would have probably tried to have like bought this yesterday, looking to do something like that. And that's why I said you'll very likely see gold come down, grab these lows, and then push higher. So that's exactly what you've done. So far this week, the shorts were called perfectly, and then the longs were also called perfectly. So to try and force a position right now, where literally like the highs, there's not really much point. We're already sitting very nicely for the week. It's only Tuesday morning.
I wonder if TopStep will ever allow swing trading overnight.
Yeah, I hope so, man. I hope so. They used to do it back in the earlier days.
Yeah, even Monday to Friday.
Yeah, Monday to Friday would be good. Yeah. Yeah.
I understand why. Hang on, sorry.
All good, man.
Yeah, I understand why they don't leave it, because this one trade could just, if you left it, could eventually pass the challenge, and I get it.
Yeah.
But it'd be nice if it was Monday to Friday.
Yeah, it'd be amazing, man. Yeah, it was only back in I think they had a swing account back in only 2020 or something, I believe. Had a swing trading account.
Be nice.
Yeah, it'd be very nice. Yeah.
Another option, right?
Yeah.
Just,
That's why it's always good to have them swings in the background.
yeah. I got nothing against Top Break though, I'll be honest.
Nah, TopStep's great, man.
I think it's the first fund income company I've gone with, and we both agree on. I'm gonna have to write down all the ones I've tried.
Yeah, you should make a list of it. You should have started a channel dedicated to reviewing prop firms.
Yeah, yeah, I should have. Yeah. I learned quite a bit with 5% as well.
Yeah, that was a good one for consistency, wasn't it?
Yeah, and like risk to reward.
Yeah.
That was really. I learned quite a bit there.
Yeah.
I'm glad I did that one.
Yeah, see how this thing is that this hourly breaks out on gold. Right here, I personally don't see anywhere to buy. Any buys as you're grabbing lows, not buying at the resistance. So even if this breaks out, we'll reassess. I don't really have a exact game plan today for gold. I think it will come down and re-grab these lows. But as long as you keep pushing above these levels, it can just keep pushing up as long as it wants. Yeah, there's a lovely fake out. Look at that, close above, straight back below. 1, 2, 3, 4 opportunities to short that yesterday. Even if you got it from here, man, huge little double bottom as well. Intraday continuation, amazing. They're the setups you want. Books do I recommend? I haven't really read many trading books. Only maybe Trading in the Zone is probably like the number one that everyone should read. I've read Tom Hogarth's book as well. Well, listen to some of the audio book, but I don't actually read books anymore personally. I don't read much anymore. I prefer to listen to podcasts or listen to like audio books or watch videos personally. But Trading in the Zone is a very, very good one. It's a very good one.
There was an audible of that book in the community, wasn't there, somewhere?
Yeah, there is somewhere, man. Yeah, I think so. Well, there's
I
the
remember listening to that.
someone put it somewhere.
Yeah. Was it Jonas? The German?
Maybe.
Do you speak to him now?
Nah, never, man, never. It's on your Google Drive. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's on the Google Drive in the book section in Discord as well. Nice.
Sweet.
Nice. Right, it's on YouTube. Yeah, nice. Gold's if you're gonna see a little push down on gold, you're always at least gonna re-grab the highs. Remember, gold's never just gonna drop off one rejection, so there's no point trying to be the first person in the markets. So let it re-grab the highs first, and then you can try and play it. It's always one thing to note on gold: never try and be the first one in, because that's not how gold moves. Like here, you see this rejection, you try buy here, well, it's always going to come in and re-grab the lows. So let it re-grab the lows and then look for the push up. Same as if we grab the highs, amazing, then we can look for the short, but you don't ever just sell the first rejection. Yeah, if anyone's looking at anything else, feel free to shoot over. Gold's not really doing anything just yet. I don't really see any play just yet. So if anyone's watching any other instruments, feel free to shoot them over. regrabbing the highs there on Goldie. Let's see if you can actually break them or start to reject again. Nas ripping up. Yeah, Nas having a big push this morning. Yeah, look at that. Big push. Potential top wick on the day. False move of the day, maybe. Nicer move than gold.
Yeah.
Get rid of this. Look how messy Nasdaq is with the levels compared to gold. You break above, break back below, break back above. It's pretty crazy. Nas is a weird one. I still think you'll see it push lower. As long as them lows haven't been grabbed on the S&P, you'll probably see Nasdaq find some resistance and dip back down to them lows there. But that was that. Where's that upper trend line as well? Yeah, lovely. Look at that. Very nice. Nice. The yield longs, yeah. Well, they look at it from like a daily and weekly perspective anyway. So you can't I don't really look at that from like an intraday. But overall, yeah, it's good to see like overall outlook. Definitely, man. But they could buy it here and sit in like huge amounts of drawdown before it pushes as well. I think overall, yeah, gold buys look very simple. Especially looking at this daily. I think you'll probably see gold, and even the monthly on gold as well is very bullish. Since you grabbed their monthly lows, which we mentioned as well, which I think was here, where was it? No, maybe these lows, that little double bottom there, very nice. Grab that double bottom out, break back above 2,000, boom. There's amazing gold buys. Not last Friday, the Friday before, off the bottom wick at 2,000. Amazing buys. Same indication trade set up across all pairs or gold. You can use it on multiple pairs. I personally just trade just gold. I prefer to just trade gold, man. Just gonna keep pushing up for now. How do we go? So we've got another 20 minutes. The London's gonna open. You got is that you got a little bottom wick there?
Nice level on oil.
Yeah, that's a beautiful level, man. That's a beautiful level. That's a very nice level. What's that? 4 hour? Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, huge. What time is that? 6 AM London time. Grab the lows. Boom. Huge. So simple. Probably have it like what, 76 maybe? Round it up. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. How's your holiday? Yeah, it was good, thank you, Ross. It was very nice, man. Very, very nice. New Zealand was amazing, man. Beautiful place. Very, very nice place. Where is this at? With the bridge? Yes, I did, man. Yeah, I did, yeah. It was crazy. It was a huge bungee jump, man. It's the first time ever doing one. It was crazy. Absolutely crazy. I had to do it. I had to get it done. Yeah, it was insane. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know exactly how high it was. Even if I tell you numbers, I'm not gonna do it any justice. But it was very, very high, man. But when I saw like some women were doing it, I was like, well, I have to do it now. There's loads of different types of people doing it. I was like, well, I gotta do it. But yeah, it was insane.
You're not right. I would never jump off that. There's no chance.
How high is it? I can't see how high it was. Yeah, it was insane.
That's like jumping out of a perfectly good airplane. You just want to see the reason for it.
Oh, I'd love to do a skydive. I'd love to do a skydive.
From a plane? You'd actually jump out from a plane?
I'd love to, yeah. It's more so for the fact that because I wouldn't want to do it is why I do want to do it. Same with the bungee jump. It's like such a terrifying thing to do, but the fact that it's actually possible and the only thing stopping you from doing it is a mental thing is kind of the reason why I like had to do it.
Yeah, but why is it a mental thing?
Hey?
It is mental. It is a mental thing.
Because it's just like it's a mental barrier. Like it's physically very possible to do it, and the only reason you don't do it is because you're mentally stopping yourself from doing it. You know what I mean? Just like it's a mental hurdle that you have to do to overcome it. Like doing a skydive, I'd be absolutely bricking myself, but that's the reason I would have to do it. Guys and clowns are a good genre. Oh, really? Nice, man. I definitely want to do one. Yeah, 43 meter bungee. That's what it was. Risk management which you implement for skydiving? It's probably not a very good risk reward, to be honest. It's probably not the best risk reward. Skydive Dubai, yeah, that'd be insane, yeah. Palm, yeah. Yeah, skydive in Dubai would be insane.
You're a braver man than I would ever be.
Gold just continuing to push up here, not really a lot we can really do other than just watch this push up, unfortunately. There's no buys on this since we've jumped on, or even anywhere in here, to be honest. Skydive seen highly recommended. Yeah, nice, yeah. Cliff jumping too, yeah, nice.
Have you traded oil on Top Step?
No, I haven't actually, man. I haven't. I'm not sure what the contract size is like.
Yeah. Any guess what the code would be? I'll just type in oil.
Let's have a look.
Oil.
It is.
Careful.
Yeah, CL. Yeah, CL. The month is. Or is it?
CL.
Yeah.
I haven't got that.
CLJ4 is the current contract for oil.
Oh, okay. CL.
CLJ4.
Okay, I got it.
Nice.
Sweet. Let me have a look.
Iceman jumping. What the hell? Let me have a look. Oh, that's insane. $216 meters. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Did Kate do it?
No, no way. She was like, no chance.
Oh. I wouldn't care. He's smart.
Oh yeah, that one in South Africa looks insane. Oh, that's crazy. Holy.
Brilliant.
Ziplines about my lemon. Yeah, I would like to do that as well, actually. Trade funds account, personal capital funded, or both? A bit of both, man. I prioritize personal as much as I can. Funding is obviously the way to go in the beginning. It teaches you a lot. You don't have to risk your money, and you can still get good payouts as long as you're with a good firm and build your personal. But overall, obviously, the long-term goal is to build personal. But in your learning stages, you use funded accounts as much as you can. Even trading like a funded account is going to be better than using a demo account. Especially something like Top Step, it's only going to cost you like $50. Teach you way more than trying to trade on a demo. But overall, long-term goal should always be personal. Always. So yeah, I personally prefer. I prefer personal. And you don't need to trade you don't need to trade a huge. People think you need to trade like a 100k personal account to be able to trade personal, which is like absolutely not the case. As long as you've got good risk management and you're already consistent, you don't need to trade like a huge amount. On a personal, yeah, you need a decent amount, man. All depends on the broker requirements. There's a sheet that each of them actually give that it says what you actually need to be able to trade what contract size. Yeah, so Ninja is 1,000 to trade one contract. Yeah, nice. Yeah, which is actually pretty good. Grabby stays high. What's the level need to come back to before looking for shorts? If it grabs just say high, I think it would just continue to push higher. I personally won't be selling gold if we grab yesterday's high. I think it just if you break yesterday's high, it'll just very likely continue to push up. That's why I am overall bullish. That's why I want to see longs. I want to see a retracement before you see overall longs, because I'm overall bullish. So if you do keep pushing from here, which doesn't have to, but it easily could, then yeah, I wouldn't be surprised that this will be the start of the move. Because as soon as you start breaking these highs, there's no noise to the left. You can just keep pushing, and you'll retrace like a lot of this NFP move. And these are my these are my overall liquidity levels that never got grabbed on NFP as well, which I still think will get grabbed very likely this week as well. But ideally, we're looking for like something like this. But I don't know if it'll be that good to us. But this 30 is starting to reject nicely here. We've got 10 minutes till London's going to open. We'll see how this hourly closes. But if this hourly closes aggressively bullish, then you probably have to update you guys, because if the hourly closes bullish, then you're going to need a next hourly closure before getting anything. So ideally, this hourly starts to leave a pretty decent wick. Otherwise, if it breaks above, like here, you're going to need the next hourly to at least close back below, close doji, and then start to push down. Otherwise, it could just keep pushing up. But I wouldn't be buying it here, because you need some sort of liquidity grab as well. Or even above, yeah, even above here. Alright, let me run to the toilet, guys. 2 seconds. How's this hourly looking? 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Yeah, like I say, if this does close above, we'll just update the next hourly. Like I say, because it's just gonna either just creep up to this high, or the only way you're gonna get some longs is if you start to grab some lows, and then you'll buy it back up into them highs. But ideally, this rejects and closes back below here, then you can look to take it down. Ideally. Otherwise, if it does close above, like I say, there's no point trying to buy it here. It's already had the push, and you haven't really grabbed any lows. So if you try and buy gold here, well, where's your stop going to be? Well, it can't go here. We'd have to go like there, and even that's still risky to me. Let's see, we got a little trend line coming up like this as well. Yeah. Well, the next place to potentially sell it, if it doesn't close above, if it doesn't close below, then you'll wait for this. And from what, here to here, it's only just about 20. Let's see how this is 15 looking. Bullish. Still going to need to re-grab the highs now as well.
Oi, oi.
Hey man, how's it going?
Oh, lads.
Oh, all the boys there.
Alright, fellas.
How's it going?
Go on out ahead.
Is that Mark or Joe? I can't know who said that.
That was Joe. It was your mate Joe. That was your mate Joe.
You guys in?
I ran it back in the gym, you see.
I can see, man. Yeah, I can't see anyone else on your arms in the
I
camera.
was done 2 sessions this week. He thinks he's his. That's tricep for you, isn't it?
Yeah, that's crazy, man. You have to get a bigger tank top soon.
No, it's not that. It's been washed, so it's shrunk.
Where are you in? Danang?
Nah, Natrang.
Ah, I thought you were back in
Like a
Danang.
better version of Danang.
Oh, really?
There's so much more to do. Yeah, bro. You'd love it here.
Really?
Lads,
I love it here.
Nice.
Me.
lads.
Lad. Good on, lad.
Joe, you've been working out, mate.
Exactly. See, told you. People are noticing it now. You know what I mean?
Yeah, like those trips to the pharmaceutical company. the trend.
You made my day, Alice.
No, Trang. Yeah, I've never heard of that. Let me see whereabouts it is.
Yeah. Look at those peaks. Head and shoulders, you know.
No, Trang. Oh yeah, this looks well nice. Yeah. Yeah, it does just look just like down here.
So much more than Danang.
Fuck yeah, it's stunning.
There's not as many like rooftop walls there.
Mm.
Yeah, so you can't plug any of them.
Where is it? Is it further up or further down than Dunno? Further down.
I think it's like 9 hours. Set.
Oh, way further down. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, nice.
It's on a different level.
There's levels to this game. How long are you there for?
Like a week till the end of the week.
Nice.
Breakfast got here today.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, it's good though.
Good man.
Yeah, it's great. Another community link up with the lads.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, get a little pic of the boys sometime.
Yeah, when you come in, Aaron.
Hey, tomorrow.
Yeah.
On the next.
Well,
Yeah, I wish I could be out there. Yeah, I ate another trip already.
get on it. Don't be soft.
These marks, mate. Brett's thinking, what have I got myself in for?
Yeah, he's on our level now. I won't get that high. Gonna buy myself a cat.
Yeah.
Cat gang.
Anyway, sorry for disrupting your stream, Aaron.
Nah, you're good, man. We're just chilling. You're good, man.
We're just with
You
the
catch
lads.
the longs.
Hey?
Sorry, catch the longs. Didn't they catch the longs? No.
Yeah, we just put stops
Yeah,
to break even.
I caught it
Oh, yeah.
from. I caught gold longs from 2025.4.
Yeah, it's an alright entry.
Yeah, it's not bad.
So what you got it?
Not bad.
Where's your stop loss? Here.
So stop loss was 2025.3.
Yeah, Mark's. Yeah, he's in the. I think he's in the shorts.
Yeah. Damn.
Anyway,
Cap.
look what happened.
Oh, the back me down.
Let's see, one more minute to this 30's gonna close here on Goldie.
I think there's some lows to be grabbed on Goldie before we push higher.
Yeah, I agree, man.
Last one today.
Yeah. Sounds like financial advice to me. Yeah, I'd like to see it have a pretty nice little dip back lower. I really want to see this 30 close back below here. We've got one more minute and it's already starting to do it quite nicely.
It had a nice pre-London push into the open as well, gold.
Yeah, solid push, man. I really want to see this close back below here.
I'm gonna mute you.
Is the guy in the background giving financial advice there?
I think so. There was someone doing
I
it.
think he was.
I heard it.
Yeah, someone was giving financial advice.
I heard it.
Yeah. He's Mark's mate, I think.
No, I don't have many minutes, just me. Rowan's calling Cap. We need some broker statements.
You should. I want to see this. I'd love to see this 30 just even close like a little bit doji. Give us a little evening star and short this. I really don't want it to close above here. Close that back above like here. Yeah.
Even if this went up with no wick to the downside, that'd be alright.
Yeah, I think so, man. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, because then you got some lows to come and grab. Let's see. So 30. Thing is, the Audi's going to be closing strong. Yeah, Audi's just closed very strong. And the Owly isn't going to drop without re-grabbing the Owly highs. Just slightly annoying there. It's not what we wanted to see because there's at this point here, there's no shorts and there's certainly no longs. There's not really a lot you can really do here, to be honest. If it wasn't for the hourly needing to regrab the highs, it wouldn't be a bad place to look for a little retracement. As the 5 looking. Yeah, 5's kind of got triple tops up here as well. So you kind of got like at least this. And that's the, what low is that? That's the 15 low. Yeah, 15 low. You got 15 double top as well. Look at these, never re-grabbed these lows before this push up. You did grab these little lows, push higher. If you grab the lows first, you may look to see this continue to push higher on gold. There you go. So the hourly is creating that bottom wick. Hourly double top. Let's see this one a little bit more. But the way that hourly closes is not really too much we can really do, but let's just see how this is going to close to see if we're going to maybe buy it back up into these highs and then follow this hourly trend. It's only 10 ticks, but you may run it higher. Still pushing down here in gold. This is quite nice. The more this pushes down, the more likely you're going to see this continue pushing up now, which is starting to look a little bit nicer. The reason you're going to see it continue to push higher is because you're going to see this. You're going to see this hourly grab that double top there now. Not necessarily right now, but at some point you're going to see these highs get grabbed as well. So this bottom wick here is good. Is what you want to see. You got 1, 2, 3, 15 highs to come and grab as well. Yo, just watched your interview with Trading Nut and came in to find you. What's up? Hey, good to have you on the stream, man. Hope you enjoyed the podcast. Pure gold, appreciate it, man. Yeah, drop a little like for the stream. Thank you for learning futures. The link's in the description, man. You feel free to check it out. Nah, not me. Someone else. Not me. It's my twin. All right, 5 minutes starting to reject here. So now we're gonna go back to that 5. Let me see how this is looking. Did you just grab them lows? Yes, you did. Yeah. It changes every day, man. There's forex, futures, feet, you name it, everything. Did you just grab that? I think you're gonna grab it one more time. Not the day trading twin, that's for sure. Top step interview. Oh, is the Trading Nut interview, man. If you type in, I'll see if I can find it. Where is it? Where is it? Cool. Regrab on the lows here, which is quite nice. Look how many 5-minute highs you have to come and grab here on gold. So it's 67,000 views. Very nice. How was your trip to New Zealand? Yeah, it was amazing. Thank you. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. New Zealand is a beautiful place. Very, very nice. Did you visit Christchurch? Yes, we did. Yeah, we visited. Stayed in Christchurch for 2 nights actually. We dropped off one of the camper vans and then re-picked back up our next one in Christchurch. I want to see if this can start to reject and see if we can see this continue to run higher on gold. Thing is, the range, you got to be kind of break even as soon as you start grabbing these highs, which is only 7 ticks, but it's more so to see if we can continue the hourly reflipping back bullish. That's all I'm really looking for here. I mean, break even point is these highs here, but my target's actually to re-come up and grab this high up here at like, let me go there, let me just chart the high time frame. I'm waiting for this 5 minutes to close though. Yeah, previous hourly and then this high up here. So like 2037 is going to be the overall, where is it? 2037, like up here. I'm just going to wait for this 5 minutes to close though. But the way that you haven't grabbed like any 5-minute highs here and any 15-minute highs is actually looking quite nice. And we're following the momentum of the previous hourly. Let me just make sure there's no lows to come and grab. I mean, there is, but you do have a double top here. Let me just see 4 hour. Let's have a look. You are a major 4 hour resistance. 30-minute. 30 potential evening star, but also grabbing the lows. Hourly's bullish. It's a little bit conflicting. I mean, your risk is going to be very small on this as well. Like, you're risking like sub 10 ticks. So let's see. I want to see this 5 minute kind of close a little bit doji, and then try and form like a little morning star here. So we can see this. Like something like this is kind of what we're looking for. Wait, lows. I actually grabbed it one more time. This is what we're looking for. Something like this. Is he on a margin call again? Yeah, he is. Yeah. Fuck, you can't keep topping up these demo accounts. It's crazy. Is that alright, guys? One more. I promise. This is the last time.
Nah, yeah. You gotta go back to New Zealand. Let Alexander this.
Promise. This is the last time we'll top it up. I won't call you guys again. I'm live on stream. Everyone's watching. You taking a trade now? I'm just waiting for this 5 minute to close. Wait for this 5 minutes close, next 5 minutes to give a bottom wick, and then I'll be looking to see if this can play up into 2037. But these highs here will be break even point. This 5 minutes kind of what we want to see here. We've got 1 more minute. 1 more minute. And you're risking like maybe 4, it depends where we get the entry, but like maybe 5 or 10 ticks, so it's worth the risk. It's worth the risk. It's only 18, but that's fine. It's still like a 3.5 risk reward. And then we'll be coming into the last 5 of the 15 as well. So how's that 15 looking? Yeah, 15's looking nice. 15's looking really nice. You got 15 highs to come and grab. Don't push too. Don't just do it now though. So we'll be watching this high to come and grab. Where is it? That'll be break even point there. Yeah, don't close too bullish though. So next instant bottom wick in like 20 seconds, and you could look for some. You can look for some buys on gold. Let me just make sure we got the demo account up just in case. There we go. The futures chart has a triple top, but we already know it's already been grabbed here. The reason we analyze on the spot chart, not the futures chart. Oh, it's a strong push. That's a very strong push. Futures just had a little gap up there. Currency chart still lagging. There you go. Close to no top wick, but it doesn't really matter. It's only 5. See, that's pushed up quite high now, which is slightly annoying. Unless we come back down and give us this bottom wick, we'll take a retest entry, but that's like closed almost halfway towards the break-even point. Let's see. You know, 5 minute can still go as a bottom wick. Maybe we should have taken that 5 flip, but I don't think so though. TP, the TP will be at 2037, but as you grab this high, you already want to be break even, so I don't really want to see that grab just yet. Trading on funds account and personal at the same time. Yeah, both, man, both. I'm trying to prioritize personal though. But this trade that we'll be taking today will be taken on Top Step. More floods, enjoy it. All good, Ross. See you next time, man. What's the time challenge difficult to overcome? Difficult. This is 5 looking. I just see how this 15. 15 could still give us the bottom weight, to be honest. As long as we don't, like, say if this 15 closes like this, next 15 give a bottom wick, you still have the trade, because then you'll have 1, 2, 3 15-minute highs to come and grab. That was a very nice little liquidity grab there. Five minutes dipping back down there. Cool, nice, look at that. You just left the double top there, which is great. That's nice. What you got? Kind of got this level, very little minor level there. Goldie, goldie, goldie. Owlie's starting to find that support, which is good. 30's just also grabbed previous 30 lows, which is also nice. Oh, in the longs on oil, very nice, man. I like that. I like that. I like that. Let's just wait here on gold. Don't rush this just yet. If you were in this, and this 5 minute close bullish above this, grab the highs and start to push back down, you'd be a little bit wary of this position. If we hold above here, we can look for it. Let me just put on that level. So this high here is the target. Whether we get up into that now, we'll see. But our maybe partial will be here. Break even partial. Is it worth partial? No. Normally this would be our partial, but from where you're currently sitting, that's only like 8 ticks. It's almost not even worth it. Not grabbing double tops. On your chart, got to make some dinner now. Thanks for seeing US. Yeah, all good, man. Enjoy. See you next time, man. On your chart here, I think a lot of them have been grabbed. Well, the ones on the way up didn't get grabbed. That's why they were our targets. But the ones you have drawn on from the ones kind of on the right hand, let me see, I'll just share my screen. Let me just see, it's 5. You can see that? I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, like this this did grab previous highs there. So that one did actually grab previous highs. This one here did also grab previous lows. And then this one here did grab these lows and then had that push. So all of these ones, this one, let me see, 15. Here grabbed the lows, that grabbed the lows, that grabbed the highs. They haven't yet been grabbed, which will be grabbed. They haven't. This did, and I think this did actually grab the lows before this little push. And then that one is going to be one that we're going to be looking to target as well. Oh, there you go. There's the instant top wick on gold, unfortunately. But yeah, these ones didn't. That's why I was shorting into all of them yesterday, because that was why they were so clean. Whenever you see it like that, that's what they become all your liquidity levels. That's why I didn't buy any of that move up yesterday, because all of them hadn't been grabbed. Like here, you grab the lows, push higher. Anytime you haven't, then that becomes your liquidity level. That's why I have that beautiful low marked on there, which is nice, man. Anytime you do see it like that, that's them. But yeah, you want to be watching them, and then they become all of your target, because we know gold's always going to come back down and grab them. No, there's that push on gold. When you just execute up the level, it's not even really moved, but yeah, it's moved like 5 ticks. But there's that push. Cool, thanks, mate. Yeah, no worries, man. Any ideas on platinum? I've never really looked at it, to be honest. What even is it? I don't even know what the symbol is for platinum. Platinum. I don't really know why you would trade platinum over anything else. Wait, am I on the right one? No, this is the wrong one. I'll have a look at the futures, even though it's gonna be delayed, but I'll still take a look at the. Oh, that is the actual chart. Yeah, that's a horrible chart. I wouldn't. It doesn't look. It could just be that time. It looks pretty choppy to me. I don't really see a benefit to trading. That looks like a pretty horrible chart, to be honest. I don't really see a benefit of trading platinum over gold, to be honest. Looks very, very messy to me. Looks very, very messy. I think gold's much cleaner than this. This looks like a worse oil, to be honest. Did anyone snipe an extra early entry there? I personally didn't, but if you did, good job. You probably wouldn't even take any profit doing this. You're only up like 7 ticks. But that was nice. Wick the lows, close bullish. Shame it closed so bullish. I would want to see it close more doji, like this, and then boom. Yeah, 15 as well. Grabbed all of the lows. Closed back above, no bottom wick, instant top wick, pushed higher. So if this had given you a bottom wick, then you would have had 3 highs to come and grab, and you could have taken it. But it's open, instantly pushed up, so you can just keep pushing. Up 10 ticks, very nice, man. Good job. 10 is good. As soon as you grab these highs, you want to be, well, you already want to be break even. 448 on the futures. Let me see, man. Let me see. It sounds pretty nice to me. 44.8. Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice. Very nice, man. So you got it from like down here. Beautiful. You already easily break even there, man. Very nice. Very nice. What do you have here? We got 3 ticks into the highs, which is crazy. Let me go. So you've just grabbed. Let me get rid of this now. Let me clean this up for a second. What do you have if you could wick out that low? 6 ticks. Not worth it. Unless you push down from here, you could long goal, but from here, keep pushing. Up 3 ticks. Hey, take it, man. Take it. 3 ticks is 3 ticks. That's the thing. It looks like a lovely move up, but it's like it's not even 10 ticks, which is a very, very small range. Even from down here up into highs, like you're just about squeezing 50, which is a very, very tight range. So I'm not really too bothered. I'm not really securing any less than like 15 at the minute. I haven't even re-secured less than that actually. The trade yesterday that I took was what was it on this FX one, was like almost 30. Let's turn to the retail trap. Ooh, let's have a look, man. Yeah, I like that, man. Looks nice. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. Yeah, that's huge, man. Huge. Yeah, just wicked out previous 4-hour highs, selling off. Yeah, it's a nice trend line, man. A very nice trend line. You can see a pretty decent grab on that. There you go. Cool. So there's them highs grabbed on gold. So if you did get that trade, that's where you want to be, taking a little bit of partials. And ideally you run it back up into here. But you just come down, you've wicked out previous 30-minute lows, re-grabbing highs, and you're going to push higher. Like I said, the hourly is never just going to drop down off one rejection. So you look to buy up into that. If gold's going to have a move down, it's always going to come up, re-grab the highs, and then push down. You reject, re-grab the highs, and then push down. So there's no point trying to be the first one in the market, trying to short this initial rejection, because it's never just going to drop from there. It's always going to re-grab the highs, and you can buy up into that, and that can be your very nice trade. So you just look for bottom wick areas, which was a double bottom right there, and there's that push. Oh, these ticks not pips? That might be a stupid question. That's all good. Ticks is just what you use in futures. Pips is what you use in currency terms. Same thing though. You know, exactly the same thing. Actually, look here. Even when you do it on here, what does it say here? Yeah, even when you do it here, it says ticks. Yeah. It's just an FX way to say like pips. Look at that. Are you squeezing like maybe 50? Yeah, maybe you just got 15. Grabbed 8 ticks better than nothing. Yeah, good job. Take it. Take it. Take it. Absolutely take it. That was the play. That was the call. And your target is this high here as well. So if you do get some runners, you just trail. There's a lovely push now. There's that move. Gold was going to go up after that sweep. Because it's never, like I said, it's, on the hourly, gold's never going to reject the level once and just push down. You're always going to re-grab the highs, and there you go, there's that whole entire push. Like here, if you see this reject once and then push down, you buy up into that, because gold's never just going to have a big push off one rejection. You reject, you re-grab the highs, and then you push. So here, you're never going to reject once and just drop. So there's a very, very nice push there. If you guys did get it, good job. There's your TP. There's the entire move. What, 24? Now you're at like 24, depending on where you got it. Even if you got it from here, you were risking like less than 10 ticks, and you've just made like 20 maybe. Or even here, you may have made like 17. Just close 2 contracts to 4-hour high. Leave rudder. Yeah, good job, Sean. Very nice, man. W20 ticks. Good job, Ben. That was just a continuation play. That's the only way you can play continuation. Like here. So I said I can't buy gold here. I can't do anything here. But once it comes down to have the liquidity grabs, amazing. Then you can look for the continuation. Most people just try and buy from here and then hope that it's going to go up. It's like just wait for it to pull back, grab some lows, close bullish, and then have the push. And there it is again. So it was a very, very nice push. Very nice push. And now the 30. I think there's no real other levels to grab than maybe that. But you've just grabbed previous 30 lows and pushed higher. So that's the kind of liquidity grab there. Do we take the longer? What holiday looks sick, bro? Yeah, thank you, man. Holiday was good, man. Good to have you in the chat. Or Ron in the building. 35.17. Good job, Ron. Let me see. Good to have you back on the stream, man. Yeah, beautiful, man. You got like 20 ticks. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. Very nice, man. Very, very nice. Set up nicely for us, Aaron. Yeah, it was a good call, man. It's a very good call. It's a very just simple continuation play, understanding that the hourly had to come back and re-grab the highs, which was here. So as soon as you grab that high there, break even, and your target is that level that we gave before we even started the stream, which was here. And like I said, this level here, these rejections here are a retail trap for people trying to do this. Retail's trying to short this resistance, trying to short probably like here, put their stop loss just above the previous high, and then that's why you buy up into that. So this is what retails are doing, and this is what we're doing. We're buying up into where most retail traders are trying to short, and that's your trade for the day. There's a very, very nice play there. It's the first time I've analysed a 5-minute play in a while. And if you do get runners, amazing. You know, gold's overall bullish. You want to see gold continue to push higher, so fantastic. But if you're squeezing out like, you know, 20, 15, 20 in this very small little range, take it. Take it, take it. Hold a little run. I wouldn't hold too much, but hold something as always. But don't close more than 50%. I personally would. W, thanks, Aaron. Yeah, no worries, man. Glad you got it. If you break above here, you're just going to keep pushing higher. Yeah, you want to be out. Yeah, you want to be out as soon as you grab this high here. That's your full TP area. You know, if you can get runners and you continue to push higher, amazing. But you at this point here, I'd be closing like 90% and just leaving something at break even to always have something in the markets. But that's your main target area, for the simple fact that you had this retail trap here. Every retailer sells gold of this rejection, this rejection, this rejection. Stop loss just goes above this high here, or even above this high, and now that's why they've been stopped out. You could have even as well. You could have shorted this 1 to like evening star here as well. You could have shorted it around here. But as soon as you grab these 30 lows, that's your break even point. So you could have shorted around here. You break even as soon as you hit like your 10 ticks, but grab the previous low. Shorts get stopped at break even, and your longs run into profit. Like if anyone was wondering why we didn't take the shorts off that 30 potential evening star, it's all based off the hourly. I think the nicest entry here, yeah, it was probably once this 5-minute closed back above. It's very simple as well. Like you've got a level of resistance, support, close back above bottom wick. You can literally just buy it from there and play it up. And you could even be risking off like that 5-minute low as soon as it doesn't flip. Put your stop loss there. As soon as this 5-minute closes, stops to break even, and then boom, you just re-grab previous 5 highs there, which is nice. So yeah, 30's going to close. The 30's going to close bullish. That's probably going to be it for now for London, I think. Yeah, it is. Yeah, very bullish. Yeah. 9 seconds here. So all of these, let me get rid of these. These have all now been grabbed on gold. Every single low has been grabbed. These highs have now been grabbed. Don't really care about that low. You just grab these lows. That could be enough. Let me see hourly. Where's the hourly looking yet? Hourly's aggressively bullish. You don't miss? Never. Nah, we do. We do miss sometimes. But it's just simple price action. Just understanding price action, understanding retail traps. Like, you look at this on the hourly. How many people this morning do you think would have been trying to short this resistance with their stop loss just above this high? It would have been absolutely huge. People don't understand liquidity grabs though. They know that gold is never just going to drop from here without grabbing some of these highs. So all you're looking to do is looking for buying opportunities up into most retailers' stop loss and the fact that price on gold is overall bullish. So you're just following the overall trend as well. And trend is always friend. So for me now here on gold, don't do that. Let me grab this. For me here on now gold, this is going to be the next liquidity level. And that's going to just where it's going to re-break and just continue to push. Only place you can really look for more buys on gold is once you start to find some resistance and then bottom wick back down into here. And then you can look for it to push higher. But the way that 30 is just closed, very bullish above a major level of support. There's not going to be anything in the next 30 minutes now on gold. So that's pretty much going to be it for me for now, London. I'm going to wait for this hourly to close. Maybe the next like 2 half-an-hour candles to see if we can get more buys up into these highs here. I think you will dip down a little bit more. But don't just try and don't just all of a sudden start taking shorts on gold because you missed the move. That doesn't make sense. Let it play out for the next, like, I'd say the next hour. Wait for the next hourly close, a little bit more price action, create some more liquidity like this, and then you can be looking for more continuation buys. So you guys on Zoom, I'll let you guys go. I'll update you guys in like the next probably hourly close. We'll see how it closes, see if we actually close above this level or start to fake out. And then we can look for some trades for the rest of the day. But for that London session move, that's pretty much it for now. Let it relax, find its feet, hold the runners, and then we'll see what we're saying in like probably the next hour and a half, and I'll update you guys on Discord. So enjoy Zoom, guys. I'll talk to you soon. See you guys. Bye.
Recording.
All right, YouTube fam, that's it. That's the play for the day. That's the London session done. Like I just said to the guys there, I'm going to let price chill, find its feet, and then see if we can get some more liquidity levels planned out for closer to the New York session. But I hope you guys did enjoy today's stream. If you did catch the trade, good job. Even if you didn't, as long as you took value from today's stream, that's all that matters. And I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow, 7 a.m. London time. Trade safe. See you next time. Peace.